Welcome to our road test excuse me, of our 2018 18 plate Volvo XC60 D4 SE all-wheel drive. We've got, believe it or not, 108,350 miles on the clock, and we're just going to get a road test just to make sure that everything is all okay with it and it drives as you would expect it to drive. It drives like a car that's done less than half the miles it's done. It is a fabulous car. It's in such nice condition. The interior, considering it's got that lovely blonde grained leather, is absolutely immaculate. There's not a mark on it. Steering wheel's all nice and clean. Like you can see, it's got the black leather outer and the blonde inner. It's lovely and clean. You could genuinely walk up to it and not think it had done the mileage it's done. It's a really, it's a testament to the previous keeper. It really is, and all the owners overall who've had it. We've got full service history for it. We've got 8 service stamps in the book, right from 2019 up to January of this year. At which point, in this January, at 91,000 miles, it also had the full service and the timing belt kit replaced. So everything's A1 on this car. We've got 2 remote keys with it as well. It's in that lovely dark ruby red metallic. It's got the black chrome pack on it, so all the grille and the rear bumper protector and the roof rails are in the last black chrome, so it contrasts really nicely with the car. Spec wise, it's lovely. Got everything all touch screen. You've got DAB, it's got nav that you can do full screen as well. You've got all your climate that goes through there. You've got heated seats. It's got the winter pack as well, so you get, as well as your heated seats, you get heated steering wheel and heated windscreen. So I can tell you, on a day like today where it's a bit chillier, this steering wheel feels absolutely lovely. All the electric tailgates. Lots of information up about the car. I've not even scratched the surface in this video about what the car really is about and everything else, but we put everything up on the website. Photos, there's a video walk around that you can look at as well, plus all the details about the car in our advert body. If there is any additional information that you would like on the car, or the finance packages available, or the delivery service that we offer, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.